How to add a city clock or digital clock to the home screen on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Now on the home screen, touch and hold on a blank spot. Then tap on Edit. After that, tap on Add Widget, and then we scroll down. Now in here, tap on Clock. Then swipe across until you see it said City Digital or CT1 or CT2 or CT3. So here select a clock style, so you can touch and hold onto that and then drag it out onto your home screen, or you can tap on the add widget button at the bottom. And then if you want to change the city in the clock, just touch and hold, and then in here, so touch and hold, then tap on edit widget. So tap on edit widget, and from here you can select your city. So say Singapore. So Singapore, and then I'll tap outside of this box to save the changes. And there you go. So I can tap on edit widget, and here we can change to another city. So say San Jose, San Jose, USA, and we close that. So that is how you can change the city in your city clock widget on the iPhone 16 series. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.